Hello wood turners and makers, and welcome back to my channel. Right, sorry, it's not going to be a project as such, it's just going to be a little review. For the last couple of weeks I've been looking for a texturing tool to do nice little patterns on my work. And I was looking at a few that quite expensive, and then I went on to Simon Alp's channel and seen this one, and it was reasonably priced, and I thought, let's give it a go. So without further ado, let's get some wood on the lathe and let's have a play and see what they're like. So I'll see you at the lathe. Okay then, this is the Halp texturing tool. I've gone, the reason why there is cheaper ones on his site, like I says, I will leave the link below where you can get this from and have a look at the rest of his tools. You probably already know about this one and how it works, and this is why I went for this one, because you have the two holders for it which go onto here, and there's two different sizes. There's the big teeth one, and obviously that one is a lot smaller. So we'll try this one first, and that's how it goes. It just screws on like so, and with this Allen key then you just tighten up the Allen key there. That's it. Get that out of the way. We'll get you adjusted so you can see, but that's it. Okay, right, hopefully you'll be able to see that enough. So we'll get the safety on, just in case something happens. Let's clean this up a bit. Okay then, so let's have a bit of play with it. So, right, get it just about, I believe, centre on it. Just take the tool rest in a bit more, just so the wheel don't bind on it. A bit more. And that's it. Right, so I'm going to try it by presenting it there, like so, and seeing what pattern that does. About 800 revs. And that does a nice little spiraling pattern. So then let's try another one. We'll go straight on. That might just, yeah. That does like a dimple. We'll do it there. That does that one. Yeah. And what you can do, just to highlight some out a bit, just get your pointing tool Make sure you get it in the right place. You don't want to get roughly about there. And there. And there. That just gives you a bit of a... Yeah, it ain't the best wood for this, but as you can see, now what we'll do, just to have a look at it a bit more, is we'll just run, if I could find some, a bit of sandpaper over that now, just to clean that up. Like so, and also you can get a bit of crayon. And that will highlight the pattern even more. And this is why I did want one of these tools. And as you can see, it does. Now, I suppose there's loads of things you could do with it. You could, you know, we know what that one does then. You know, that's just the surface of probably what you can do with these tools. But as you can see, that is what it does. So, we will now swap this out by undoing the Allen key, put that in there and just unscrew the top, do it a bit more, and that just comes off like so. And you can buy different tops as well, these, you know, the tools, and it is hardened steel, so you don't ever have to sharpen them, and they're on a little bearing as well, which makes it run nice and smooth. So now we'll swap over and put the smaller one on. That was the same way. Just tighten it up, do the Allen key. Let's have a look what we can do with this. Same again. Right then, here we go again. I've lowered the speed a bit now. Is what you can get out of that one. Let's get a bit of chalk on that so it stands out a bit more. Let's do a different colour. Let's do a red. And there you are. And that is with the other one. As you can see, that is with the Simon help texturing tool. I don't know if you can see that on there, probably not, but I will leave a link in the description below, so you know, if you're interested or want to have a look at it, it's worth getting. This is the reason why I wanted one. Put a nice few patterns in your bowls, and you know, some lidded, when you do your lidded boxes, look. But let me just show you something else that you can do on the front. So I'll alter the camera so you can see it, and let me show you something else that it does do, and I'm quite, you know, be nice at the end of boxes if I can do it. Okay, right, what I've done is just done a bit of a groove just on the edge of the bowl, let's say, and then what we do, we swap this back out for the bigger cut. Let me show you something on here, if I can do it right. It revs back up again to about 600. Right, push the tool in. And there you are. Maybe, can you see it? The pattern. Let's see if I can highlight that one here. And the blue makes it stand out a bit, so. Can you see it? So I suppose we're playing around with these. You know, you can get some nice patterns. So I hope this was enough information for you and to show you, you know, I'm quite impressed with the tool. So I'll meet you over the board, and then we'll have a, probably get you a closer look on this lot. Right then, that is the close-ups. As you can see, that's the sort of patterns you can do with it. Yeah, that's the pattern on the back. Yeah, very impressed with the tool. So that is what it looks like, the Simon Help. I think it's the mini texturing tool, I believe. That's how it comes. Like I said, you've seen me put it together. Just comes in a little bar, look, it screws in. And like I say, they are hardened steel. So when I checked on it, they said you don't have to ever sharpen them. They're on a little bearing, which makes them nice and smooth, quite solid. So yes, if you're like me and you was shopping around and thinking, oh, which one shall I get, but they're quite expensive, and I found this one quite reasonable. So that was it. I'll leave, like it says, the where you can get this from below if you don't already know, and have a look at his other tools.